Hey, what's up guys? In this video I'm going to teach you all how you can code for Minecraft on Bridge. So guys, this is a simple tutorial I want to show you guys because a lot of people want to know, how do you code on Bridge? How do you do this GPG? And then like some people call me a milker, so I might get tired of that. So I wanted to just do a video to show you guys I'm not a milker. I do my add-ons by myself, and how you can actually make Cartoon Cat and like Siren Head and all that by yourself. So let's go ahead and get started. So what you're going to do first is press a new file. Well, before you do that, you want to make a new behavior pack. So do this, hang on. Let me delete this one. And let me just delete this project as well. Let me create a new one. So I'm just going to call it test. And then test. And then I'm just going to make sure I update that version. Register client data. Now after you do this, you want to just kind of refresh that. Then press new file. You can do anything right here, so you can do animation controller, biome, block, command, component, entity, feature rules, function, item, language file, loot table, map area, recipe, script, spawn rule, and trade. So guys, there's a lot of things you can do in this. Now, for the sake of this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can make something cool, like for an entity. So you're going to make sure you click on entity right here. Select template. You can do no template. So like guys, this is how you can code easily, like really easily. No template, blank entity, agent, area effect cloud. So basically, this entire thing gives you different templates you can use. And the best one I like to use, honestly, is a zombie. I like using the zombie one. So just go ahead and just go to description right here. Change your description. I'm gonna change mine completely from Minecraft to JPG. Let's do test. We're not actually making a legit mob. This isn't gonna be in the game. This is not gonna literally be in the game. And you're gonna want to get rid of everything in component groups. Nothing you want to keep in component groups. Unless you're redoing a zombie, then keep it all. If you're not doing this, don't keep all this. It's not worth it. So just get rid of that. And you're gonna want to keep component groups for now, but like eventually get rid of it. Equip item, get rid of that. Burns in daylight, get rid of that. Navigation to walk, keep that. Break door, get rid of that. Hurt on condition. What's this one? Keep this. You want this still. Shareables, get rid of that. Despawn, get rid of that definitely. Nobody wants their mobs to despawn, or else it'll be stupid. Like I honestly think I wouldn't keep that on. And get rid of the transforming one. Stomp on turtle egg, get rid of that. Pick up items, get rid of that. Let's see what else. Conditional bandwidth, get rid of that. Let's see. Make sure we got everything, guys. So everything in here. That looks about right. Now the events. Get rid of everything in the vents. You don't need this. You do not need this. So after you get rid of that, just keep it. And now what you're gonna do is just do this. So to actually make Cartoon Cat grab, a lot of people want to know, how do you do that? You want to type in here add object, behavior.summon entity. But here's something else you could do. You can make up your own thing. Some Minecraft. Grabbing. You could do that. Oh, you can't do that. Never mind. Okay, don't listen to me. You're gonna have to do summon entity. Priority 1. Summon choices 0. Do casting, don't do that. Min activation range. You can do whatever you want for this. You're gonna have to go back and fix all this though, because apparently Bridge doesn't really it just can't stop auto doing it like that, so I'm probably gonna have to fix a lot of things, but yeah. Anyways, let's go ahead and just do the rest. So cooldown time, let's do 10. So 10 for the 10 seconds. That means like how many seconds it's like not gonna do it for. And then you can do wait. So wait 3, I guess I don't really know what you could do for that. I don't even know what wait's for. Maybe like, I don't really know. Cast duration. You're gonna also do this, so you're gonna have to go fix this. This is how many seconds it lasts for. This is how many seconds the casting duration lasts for. How many seconds the cast animation will stay for. Particle color. I don't really know what that does. I haven't really used that at all. Start sound event. You're gonna do this and name it whatever you want. So I'm just gonna call mine CC_music. Because why not? You can name it whatever you want, technically, but you don't have to do that. Now sequence, 0, shape, circle, target, base delay, and you're just gonna wanna add base delay and all this, delay per some entity. Just add all these and just put them at 0. Unless you're not doing anything for this, then don't worry about this. So I'm not really doing anything for this, so it doesn't matter what you do for this, but okay. That's all you have to do, by the way, guys. So now after you get this, make sure you put it up here somewhere. Doesn't matter where, to be honest. The next thing I'm gonna add, you can add whatever you want. So I'm gonna do a leap ability. So leap at target, priority. Let's do 1. Set persistent, false, target distance. Now, I don't really think this matters, but to be honest, when I try to change it, it doesn't really do anything. So if I want to do like if I want to do like 1 million, it wouldn't actually do anything. I don't know why. It doesn't actually go that far. But like if you were to try to do like 30, it wouldn't even go that far either. So I'm gonna do like 10. Must be on ground. True. Yards. This is really important. Make sure you don't go above, let me just show you guys. So don't go above 10 or don't go above 5 because it'll go too high. I'm gonna do 2 for the yards. Honestly, that's not that bad. You can also do some other things. So you can do like a knockback roar. Now, let's go and do this. So priority 1, attack time. This is just the attack time, I guess. I don't really know what this really does too much. I haven't really messed with this, but let's put this at 1. All I do know though is that it has like it can knock you back really far. Let's just say that. Cooldown time. Let's do 10. Now to be honest, I wouldn't really recommend this. To be honest, but let's do 2 seconds for the animation. Knockback damage. You can do whatever you want. I'm gonna do 3. Knockback strength. 50. Knockback range. You have to be within 5 distance. Okay. Now I'm just gonna leave it like this. I'm gonna put this somewhere else up here. So let's put it up there. You can do like other things called like move, make move, do village if it's there. So you can do like anything. You can move to land, move to POI, move to village. Actually, that's something I probably need to do. Move to village. Priority 3, speed multiplier, 0.6 maybe. You can do all these different things. It honestly doesn't matter where you put them either. It can be anywhere. And then you can do like timers as well. So if you wanted to do like a timer, and you can, I'll teach you guys how you can do this. So timer, looping, false. If you're doing something that transforms into an entity, and then it can turn back, never do true then. It's like it will just completely loop itself. It's really annoying. Okay, so random interval. I don't really know if I used this before. Hang on. Let me see. Random interval true. Time 0. You can add however much time you want. So 5. Change this to 5. Why does Bridge do this? It's annoying. Okay. Time down event. You can do whatever you want. So event. And you can just add whatever event you want. So right here, Minecraft. And then you can just do like start. You can do anything like right here. So you can do Minecraft event. You can also do start. I'm just gonna do start for this. So start. Start transforming. So you can do that. Really nice. you can see, that's how you can make a timer. Really cool. You can add a lot more things. You can go down here, like go through here. Celebrate, charge attack. You can do anything you want. Controlled by player. Don't know what that is. I guess it controls something. We can do like door interact. You can do interactions or interact. It should be interactions or interact. I don't really know the name. So it's interact. Okay. You can also do like different attack things, like charge attack, delayed attack, guardian attack, nearest prioritized attackable target, oscillate attack, range attack, slime attack, stomp attack, soup attack, wither underscore random attack, position goal, area attack. Area attack's actually really cool. What this can do is what this does is actually really simple. If an entity is within a radius, it will actually start damaging them, kind of like a potion of harming or something like that. Attack cooldown. This is like something the new goats have. This is the new AI that the goats have in Minecraft. It's really cool. Attack damage, and this is a lot of new things that you can do. Really cool. They're not really new, but you can use them. They're really cool though. So circle on anchor. I don't know what that does. There's a lot of things I don't know what to do and don't know what these do. Eat block, like it already says it in the name. Eat carried item, it already says it. Enderman leave block, I just leave the block there. Enderman take block, and there's like a lot of other things you can do. Equip items. I don't really like that one because if you're making like a really cool model, it's not gonna equip it in the right spot. Obviously, it won't do that. It's not like that. It won't work. Find cover, find mount, and I think it just found like a mountable entity. Find underwater treasure, flee sun. I think it'll just flee the sun like a zombie. Well, not really. It doesn't really flee, but be for that float, wander. I don't really know what this is. Float caravan, follow mob. So you can do follow range, and you can do value. You can do like any number. I'm just gonna do like 4,000. You can do a max. You can do 4,000 for this as well, because if you want to do the same number, you have to do that. Really cool, guys. This is how you can make something really simple. And for component groups, let's do Minecraft transforming. Now for this one, guys, as you saw before, I said start transforming. For the component groups one, you want to make sure it's called transforming, because then if you don't do that, it'll get mixed up whenever you do the event. So then after you do this, you're gonna do transformation. You can do into, and then you can just name whatever you want. So JPG, let's see. You can do test 2. So it can be test 2. You can do that. Really cool. And then go into events. As you can see, really cool. Add component groups 0, and you can just do that. And as you can see, that's how you can make your file. And if you want to save your file, you just do save as, and then you can go to download or whatever you want and just save your file there. And here's what's cool, guys. Here's what's cool. You just go into downloads, you press test, and then this is your file, guys. This is your file format that you made. Oh, and also I forgot to do this. There's a lot of things that you have to change. You don't want it, so change that to that, and just save that. As you see, guys, now you got it fixed. So yeah, make sure you watch out for these like little mistakes you can make. Type family, make sure you look out for that one. Also for the attack, for the nearest attackable target. But yeah, as you see, guys, this is the new code. Now you want to also change this. I like to do mine at either 0.8 or 1. Height, let's do 5. Now save that. And you got movement basic, navigation to walk. You can also do like a climbing one, like that one that can allow your creature to climb. But I'll show you guys how to do that in another tutorial. Jump, static, can climb, Minecraft health. You can change this however you want. I'm gonna do 100, and I'm gonna do 120 for the max, and save that. And yeah, as you can see, guys, here's all the code that we have done right here. So knockback roar. So if you don't remember Bendy's like old cartoon cat, it was like really broken. So yeah, it had like all those like particles and stuff. Basically the same thing this does right here. like right here. It's the same thing basically, but I made a cooldown time of 10 seconds. And yeah, as you can do is change this to test. You can do that. Really cool. And as you can see, this is our timer right here. Really cool, as you can see. Yeah, I won't be able to show you guys this in game because there's actually no entity for test. It's just the behaviors. And yeah, I'll do another tutorial on how to do animation controllers as well, because I bet a lot of you guys are gonna want to know a tutorial on that. And yeah, as you can see, guys, this is the way it grabs as well. This is the way it can grab, and it's very, very cool, guys. You guys should definitely try doing this because a lot of you want to know, how do you make Cartoon Cat? This is how. This is how you make Cartoon Cat. And yeah, hopefully you guys are enjoying this so far. Like, hopefully you did enjoy so far. But yeah, as you can see, follow range, move to village. This one's really cool, by the way. It can move to a village. Random stroll, look at player, random look around, hurt by target, and then behavior nearest attackable target. Must see. If you're trying to make something that's like overpowered, I recommend putting this to false. Just change it to false within amount of 400. I'm just gonna do 400. Must see to forget duration. I'm gonna turn that off because I don't think anybody wants that. I'm just gonna change all this to 400. And yeah, if you do a zombie, make sure you go into the attack, the nearest attackable target, and make sure you get rid of these that you don't want, because there's probably a lot of these you don't want. And then physics, pushable, is pushable true, is pushable by piston true, events, Minecraft start transforming, add, component groups, Minecraft transforming. As you can see, guys, that's how you can make successful code in Minecraft. This is a really simple way to do it, and honestly, I recommend doing this this method because honestly, guys, it's gonna help you guys a lot out. It's gonna help you guys out a lot, and yeah. Also, guys, I forgot to show you something right quick, so let me go ahead and show you guys this. So when you actually, let me just redo this. So I'm just gonna call it whatever I want, and I'm really sorry I left this part out. I didn't really mean to leave this part out, but I just forgot to actually show you guys this one part that you need to make sure you do. So don't do anything I'm doing. This is just a mistake that I made, so nobody do what I just did. So I forgot to show you guys how to actually make it to where it actually works in game for the grab. So let me go ahead and show you guys this. So let me go ahead and show you. So let's go ahead and create this again, and an entity, and description. You're gonna want to do scripts, animate, 0, and then you're just gonna call it in here, grabbing. So as you can see now, it says grabbing with that. Description, animations. Wait, I think I did something wrong. Hold on. Animations. Oh, I didn't do it. Okay. So now you're just gonna call it grabbing, and the add value. You're gonna want to do controller, the animation, the cartoon cat. And as you can see, now that you've done that, go ahead and add this to your file. So to make sure this is working properly, by the way, go in Notepad, copy this, go to the very top. As you can see, guys, it is working properly, and this is how you can make your this is how you can actually make it to where it plays, and it's actually really cool. So yeah, hopefully this did kind of help you out a little bit. I'm sorry if it didn't really help out a lot because of how late I showed you to do this, but hopefully you did like the video. Make sure you subscribe, leave a like, notification bell, and guys, I'll see you on the next video. Goodbye.